right, boys and girls, we are now going to check the work that you did. I am going to use the color yellow for Allison's group. So I will highlight all the things you should have had in yellow. And I will use blue for Brian's group. Allison's group wrote a story about two vampires, which was different than Brian's group, who wrote a story about a school filled with witches. So witches and vampires, two different things. Allison's vampires were nice, but everybody in town was afraid of them. So that's one thing. In Brian's group, the witches, no one really knew a whole lot about them, but they did have to take classes. So it's something different than what the vampires had to do. And their classes were things like broom riding 101, spelling, and beginner's guide to scaring. In Allison's group, the vampires threw a Halloween party for the townspeople. In Brian's group, the witches also threw a party for everyone in town. So they both threw a party for everyone in town, which means we're going to highlight those in green because it was something that they both did. So party for the townspeople. In Allison's group, the two vampires were really nice people, and the townspeople realized they were nice and that they really wouldn't hurt anybody. But in Brian's group, the witches scared the townspeople so bad that they were so frightened and they never celebrated Halloween again. So the people didn't think they were nice. Now, for things that they shared and that they had in common, or something we could compare them with, was we know that they both threw a party for the townspeople, but they were also projects, Halloween projects, and they were both due on October the 31st. So, to recap, what is I highlighted in yellow is the things you should have put down in Allison's group. The things that are highlighted in blue should have been in Brian's group, and the items that were highlighted in green should have been in the middle column for what both projects had in common. Hopefully you guys did great.